Hello friends, welcome to Triction channel. Today we are going to see about the notification in Bank of Baroda. So this is a recruitment in 2020. So here when we are applying for this post, there is no exam, only interview will be taken. So this is a post regarding supervisor post and the vacancies will be 49 vacancies in this post. So this is fully offline mode. There is no online. So offline it means so when we are filling this, what are the so for example, I am filling this form. So what do you have to do? Just fill the form through the notification. So they given the offer, they given the form. So you have to just fill that form. Then afterwards you have to send this form to the particular regional office. So here we are not using any online. So this is fully offline mode and last day to apply this post is 31st July 2020. Now we will be see free introduction about this post. So you can see this is appointment of business correspondence supervisor on contract basis. So it is a fully contract basis. So the state will be Gujarat and Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So you already people know that the Bank of Baroda is India's largest public sector banks. So this is the fully offline applications from industrial candidates. The candidate will be ex-bankers in any public sector bank up to the rank of chief manager and written clerks and equivalent of Bank of Baroda belong to Gujarat and Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So any graduate with the computer knowledge, example MS Office, email and internet, they can be applied and how the qualification like MSc yeah, BIT, MCA or MPA is preferable. So the candidate should be proficient in reading in and writing Gujarati language. So for those who are applying this post, they must be proficient in reading and writing of Gujarati language. So the candidate should be resident in the same districts or adjoining districts where the vacancies are declared and proficient in local language. For example, I want to apply for this post. So I am going to belong this same district. For example, you can see the district name they are given district and UT they are given Bharuch and the district and the regional office will be Bharuch. For example, I am belong to the Bharuch district. For example, I am applying for this post. I am belonging to the Bharuch district. Otherwise, I belong to the adjoining district. I can apply. And the main thing they are declaring more, they are telling you are to the profession in the Gujarati that will be in reading, writing is compulsory. So here they are given the number of vacancies. So you can see the first district will be Bharuch and the number of vacancies will be 4. And the last of submission of offline application will be 31st July. And when I am applying for this, I am belong to this district, so I have to send this application to this address. So Bank of Baroda regional office, Bharuch region. So in this way, you can see there is a many vacancy they are declaring. There is many district they are shown. Narmada. So here there is a district under Bharuch. The number of vacancies will be 2 and last submission will be 31st June. So when we are applying from this Narmada UT, so you have to be send this send this application to this Baris Skyline and Baris College Road. So you have to see this regional address. So for example, I am belong to Vadodara. So the region will be Vadodara and the number of vacancies will be 3. The last date will be so in the all the states they are given the all the states they are given the date is 31st July 2020. So you have to see the address properly and you can see that there is a vacancy in Surat, Tapi, Valsad, Navsari, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Valsad. So they are given that these are the district and you have to see the particular region office and you have to send the application. And you can see the bank will be hiring BC supervisor for above mentioned district of Gujarat State and Union Territory, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. And before filling the application, so the please go through below mentioned detailed guidelines regarding role and responsibility along with the eligibility criteria. So when we are filling the application, before filling the application form, so we have to go through the eligibility criteria, qualification, remuneration. We will be see. Now we will be see one by one. So you can see the when the first one is the eligibility. In the eligibility, The first one is the for retired bank employees. So retired officers, including voluntarily retired, they can apply for this post. And of any public sector under public sector bank up to the rank of chief manager may be appointed for the purpose. They can be applied. Retired clerks, they can apply. And equivalent to Bank of Baroda having passed. For example, they have the Bank of Baroda employee. They have already a good record. A JIAB, they can apply. So all applicants should have the rural. So those who are applying this post, they must have their 3 years experience in rural banking. They can apply. Then the maximum age they are giving the 65 years. The second thing for other candidates, those are not the retired bank employees. So they consider as the other candidates. So here they are given minimum qualification should be graduate with the computer knowledge is necessary, MS Office, email, internet, and our qualification like MSc, ITR, BE, ITR, MCA, MBA. Next one should be in the age. Though for those or other candidates, so the age group will be 21 to 45 years at the time of appointment. Then the maximum age they also given the 65 years. Then the next will be geographical location of the candidates. So here you can see the geographical location. The candidates will be selected from the same district. They will be selected. Otherwise, they will be selected from the adjoining cities. So district where the vacancies are declared, and if suitable candidates are not available in the same district, if the candidate may be selected from the adjoining district, they can also select it. Candidates should be proficient in local language. They are given. They are well be proficient in the both reading and writing is necessary. And the other eligibility you can see, they can see other eligibility criteria. Due diligence along with the proper verification of KYC will be taken, CBS score will be checked, and the other inquiries will be taken at the time of appointment. They will be seen. So for example, those who are having adverse record here, terminated, dismissed, so anything in the past record they will be done, so they will not be considered for this post. So police verification will be arranged and conducted in respect of each selected applicant before assignment of duty. So before assignment of duty, they will be running the police verification will be done. The applicant will be willing in a position to visit villages. So those who are qualified in this, so they have to visit the villages for district supervision and other activities they will be done. And should have accommodation near they should have the accommodation near the regional office, link branch, and not in any case outside the district. So those should have the accommodation in near regional office, link branch. For example, if they have the outside of the district for they will not be selected. Then period of contract will be seen. The contract will be initially for a period of 12 months and subject to review after every 6 months they will be taking a review. The contract will be initially for a period of 12 months. And you can see this is a category and category B supervisors. The category B will be allotted minimum 30 BC agents and the category B will be allotted for the 20 BC agents they are. Then you can see the selection and approval of BC supervisor. The selection will be held through an interview process by a committee headed by the regional heading. So it is fully an interview purpose. There will not be no exam. There will not be no exam fees. Will be they are not conducting the exam. Then how they will be? There is no exam fees. So only it will be entered through the interview. That will be conducted by the regional heading. Will be conducted. Then you can see, you can read the reporting authority and performance review also you can check. A termination of service, they you can check the termination. Either party can initiate for termination of contract by giving 30 days notice. For example, how in case of non-satisfactory conduct misbehavior, a bank reserves the right to terminate the contract instantly without. For example, any misbehavior candidate is done, they will be without notice, without any prior notice, they will be terminated. So this is a notification roles and responsibility of BC supervisor you can read. Then afterwards you can see remuneration for this post. So monthly remuneration will comprising of both fixed and variable components they will be getting. So we have fixed they will be getting category A, they will be getting fixed component that is rupees 15,000 and variable component also getting it will be based on the score secured by the agent. Okay, there will be variable component. Category A, there will be a variable component 10,000. The category B, there is a variable component 8,000. So duly filled application and with the enclosed and education qualification, other relevant documents in hard copy will be considered valid. For example, when we are filling the form, so after filling the form, you have to be enclosed the documents. So what are the documents you have to enclose? I will be tell you. So you have to attach with the form. So you have to attach the documents then it will be considered as a valid. If you're not apply, if you're not attached to the document, so hard copy will not be. So education qualification, other eligible documents sent in hard copy will be considered valid. Okay. Then afterwards, please send the application below mention address with title and envelope. When you are sending the application, so in the envelope, you what you have to write? You have to write application. It should be right in the capital. Application for the post of business correspondent supervisor on contracted basis. You have to mention. So they are already mentioned address for application to be sent as specified above. I already mentioned you have to see the address properly. Then this is a form this is the form you have to fill. The application for requirements. What you have to do? Just take the printout. Then afterwards you have to that printout you have to write the you have to fill this form and in that form you have to attach the document and send to the particular address. So this is fully your offline. So application, this is a form you can be seen. Application for recommend a business correspondent supervisor. So in the affix photograph, you have to put your photograph and a bank of which region you are applying. So you have to write that region. And then you can see the with reference to advertisement data, you have to put the date. And I submit my application. So in this place, name in full, you have to mention the name in full, and for others husband name and gender, data birth you have to mention. And here you can see the address you have to mention, current and permanent address both you have to mention. So contact details, mobile number and email ID you have to give. And the education qualification you have to give. Disability, if any disability is there, then you have to mention yes or no. Then you have to mention the previous experience. They are given one table. So in that table, you have to mention the previous experience. So name of the organization you have to mention, design designation you have to mention from two. So it will be starting date you have to mention and the end date you have to mention, responsibility you have to give. So in this way, you have to give the previous experience, name and address of two references. So in this post, you have to give the two reference with the address. You have to give name and address of the two reference. You have to give. Then preferred districts for working. So here you have to give the preference of the district where you have to work. So there is a preference. You have to give preference one, preference two, and preference three. You can give. So next one, you can see any other information the applicant wishes to give in support this candidate, you can give. Then you can see you have to read the declaration. I hereby declare the particular honest about the true and correct to the best of my knowledge, belief, and I understand that in the event. So if anything is false, anything is incorrect, there is not citizen eligibility criteria according to the requirements. So the my candidate in the said post is liability cancelled. This is a declaration they are taking. So I hereby agree that any legal proceedings for any matter of claim dispute arising or the subvention funded of the advertisement will be instructed by me only at this court. Thus, what you have to do, just read the declaration properly and you have to put the day and you have to in this place you have to write the place and your date and you have to in this place you have to give the signature. Okay, signature of the applicant. Then you have see the enclosure. In the enclosure you have to attach the documents. The first one is you have to attach copy of Aadhaar card and PAN card you have to attach. Second document is copy a document with a current address. So applicable if a current address is different from Aadhaar card. For example, I have the Aadhaar card and the current address in my Aadhaar card is same. So if you do no need to give the attachment of no need to give the copy of the document with current address. My Aadhaar address is all different and my current address is different. If it is not matched, then you have to submit this document. There is a copy of document with current address and a copy of 10th, 12th graduation post graduation certificate. Okay, the auto is applicable, you can give. Then copy of employment proof in the previous organization. So if they, for example, if they are retired bank employees, they can submit the employment proof in the previous organization. So these are the enclosure you have to attach with the form. In the particular region address you have to send. So this is a notification regarding this supervisor post. So after seeing my video, please like and subscribe my channel.